Good morning all. This is Shraddha from grade 5. I am going to tell today's day and date. Today's day is Wednesday. Today's date is 29 October 2025. Thank you.
Good morning all. This is Piyush Mokashi from grade 5. Every Wednesday we observe Wellness Wednesday. So on behalf of it, I would like to share some healthy tips such as first, reduce intake of junk food. Second, drink plenty of water. Third, maintain a healthy weight. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is Harshit Mudian from grade 5.
I am Pranil Pradeep Patil from grade 5.
My name is Viraj Soy from grade 5. This is Yash Kabra from grade 5. We are going to tell importance of the day. Today we are observing World Stroke Day. Stroke happens when the blood flow to the brain stops or it is blocked. The brain needs blood for oxygen and nutrients.
Without it, brain cells can get damaged very quickly. World Stroke Day is observed every year on October 29th.
It is a day to spread awareness about stroke and how to prevent it. This day is important as it reminds us to help people learn the sign of stroke, to remind everyone that quick action can save lives.
To encourage the healthy habits to prevent the stroke. Talking about signs of stroke. One side of face droops. One arm feels numb or weak.
Speech is slurred or strange. Act fast, call for help immediately.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message that spread awareness about stroke and its warning signs.
Encourage healthy eating and regular exercise. Remind everyone that quick action can save lives.
Take care of your heart and brain. They keep you alive and strong. Thank you.
Good morning all. I request everyone to please stand straight for the breathing exercise. Take a deep breath through your nose. Now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out slowly through your mouth. Again, take a deep breath. Now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out slowly. One last time. Take a deep breath. Now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out slowly through your mouth. Thank you.
Hayagrivam